best part of being a YouTuber. You keep getting lots of parcels, and my unboxing gives me lots and lots of satisfaction. I know what is this. Let me unpack. This is something related to biking, and I was looking for this from a very long time. Especially if you are someone who is following me from the time I got the Tiger, you know how important this is for me. Talking about riding gear, actually guys, yesterday we went for a ride. But where the hell is that vlog? Guys, I'm sorry but I did not make a video about that ride. You know why I did not make any video out of that? It's a boring breakfast ride. It's a ride that I don't like. I've said this for a number of times and I'm saying it again guys, I don't like going for breakfast rides. To start with, it's really nice, but once you get used to these rides, you really get bored out of it. There's nothing wrong if you like it, but it's not my thing now. Anyways, I still captured because I like capturing things. I like making videos, so I still captured my journey and a few things here and there. Anyways guys, I'm making this video. I'll be showing a few things about the ride here and there. Though this ride was towards Suryapet, there's a place called 7. So Hyderabad to Suryapet is like a straight stretch, which makes the ride more boring, especially when you know that you're just gonna go have some breakfast and return back home. I'm not trying to offend anyone who likes breakfast rides. I'm just sharing my feeling and my experience with you people, so kindly spare me. Anyways guys, coming to this ride, actually I put my phone on silent and just kept it aside because my friends have been calling me to come to the ride since the last 2-3 days. I know they're gonna call me in the morning, so I put it in silent, but somehow I woke up at the exact time when they were calling me and I could see the phone blinking. I did not take the call, but again I felt bad, so I thought I'll just go. I've been telling you that Hyderabad is nice and cozy right now, cold winters, and I had to drag myself out of bed, and then I was like,
in paka తీసుకెళ్ళరా
later we reached this place called 7.
ఇంద్రా అది చూస్తున్నావు ఇంద్రా ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. You know why am I like this? You know why am I like this? Huh? You know why am I like this? Because I'm very sick of these breakfast rides.
Anyways, as usual, we had some breakfast, then we came out, we spent some time near the bikes, clicked some pictures, did all that stuff, and now the interesting part. The only interesting part that happened were 2 or 3 things. First thing, I met my lovely subscribers there. I met 4 or 5 subscribers at 7. And thank you buddy, I think you watch my videos a lot because you gave me my favorite sweet, Son Papdi.
2 of my lovely subscribers came here. They met me. Actually there were a lot, around 5 or 6 met me today, and even this guy is one of my subscribers. Your name?
Naresh.
New guy, Naresh. It seems he bought the Benelli 600i after watching my videos. Is that true?
Yes.
That's Naresh.
Hi.
And are you regretting that decision or are you happy with the bike?
Happy? Full.
You're happy, right?
Yes.
Because he doesn't ride much, I guess, right? Only 100-150 kilometers.
Yes.
And I just got this sweet box from one of my subscribers here. Feels good.
I'm extremely sorry, I forgot your name. But good news is I almost finished your sweet box. After this, there was one more interesting thing. Actually, one of my friends, his name is Naresh, he bought a new DJI Spark. And man, it's so fun to fly a drone. Forget about the footage, forget about drone shots and all that. Generally, if you have a drone, you can really have fun, man. So there were all these fields and all, it was safe. So we flew the drone there, captured some nice footages.
I'm so lucky to meet this guy today. Check this guy out. Rohit Shetty. A lot of you people were saying in my previous video that this guy looks like Rohit Shetty, right? Does he really look like that? Put in a glass. 100% like him, right? Do you still fly the cars in the sky?
After this, we left 7, we headed back home, but in between, last time when I had the Benelli, we explored a small mountain there, a small hilltop where there's a temple and all that. If you dig into my videos, there's a video titled Ride to Suryapet or something like that. That time I used to have the 600. We went to the same place again and we spent some time there. There's a nice hilltop, guys. In case you're from Hyderabad or somewhere around Hyderabad, you definitely have to visit this hilltop. Maybe you guys can see the video and let me know exactly where this place is.
That is the arch. That's the first arch. You get this blue arch here. You need to go inside that arch. We need to go from here. We'll just wait for the other riders.
Unfortunately, it was like very, very hot yesterday in the morning, sunny.
When I came here for the first time, you can check that video. Maybe I'll try to put a link in the description. That time I came on the 600i, and this time I'm here on the Tiger. That time when we came it was monsoon, I guess, and there's a lot of clouds and it was beautiful. I think now it's very sunny because it's clear skies, as you can see. I hope this is not gonna ruin the experience. Chalo, idhar se you'll have a small guard section. Check this out. There's a small temple here actually. I don't think we'll go there because last time also we didn't go to that temple actually because we're all sweaty and bad with this clothes, and it's a problem to put all these jackets and all your accessories somewhere and go inside, so we prefer not going inside. Just park the bike here and you can just walk up a little bit.
We went there again, we flew the drone, man. That view is like superb. Just check this out. How are the shots? Don't they look dope? You think I should get a drone? Anyways, after spending half an hour at this place, we left. And let me make it clear, guys, all this riding passion, biking, friends and all this happened only because of breakfast rides. I give total credit to that. The only reason that I don't like them now, you see, when you do a particular route like multiple times, you obviously as a human being, you have a tendency to get bored. If there is something interesting, for example in this particular ride which I decided not to make a video, but again there was something interesting, for example the drone shots. We had fun flying the drone there. Anyways, enough of talking, let's unbox this, unpack this. Not here, नीचे जाके करेंगे, चलो. Alright, first impressions. Not really heavy. I can tell you this is like very, very brand new. Each and every logo is covered with this plastic sheet. Good job there, Biking Brotherhood. It doesn't solve real purpose covering all this stuff with plastic cover, but yeah, it feels good, packaging and all that. Chalo, let's put this and see. And the liner is inside. I did not remove the liner. Actually can remove it from here. Let's wear it with the liner. That's how it is. Will it feel tight? No, I think it's perfect. By the way, I wear a size L. This is L, I suppose. This is L. Is it L? Yes, it is L. But somehow it feels little bit. How does your rider look? But I can feel it, guys. I can even smell it. It's like really, really new. So it needs little bit of, breaking in. You know what I like about Biking Brotherhood's jackets? By the way, I used one before, not mine. I borrowed Rohit's jacket for the IBW ride and I liked it. So basically what I like about Biking Brotherhood's jackets is they don't feel like you're wearing armor and all that, you know. It looks fashionable also. You can just wear this and just walk into a party. I'm not sure about that, but I'll be proud enough to walk into a party with a biking jacket. Yeah, you know, swag and all that. I'll do one thing, I'll also remove the liner ones because most of the time if it's not rainy season we don't wear a liner unless it's like really cold like now. Yes, my upcoming trip I'll be using this. One problem I found is it's very difficult to remove this. Maybe I'm not doing it right, especially the arms, the hands. What the this is a velcro kind of a thing. You need to remove them and then it slips out. Alright, it looks like this. This is the armor. Right now I'm wearing it without the liner. Anyways guys, right now I'm not going to give any review about this, how it feels and all. I've used a previous version of this that's lying right there. Can you see it there on the chair? I think this is little bit different. I'm not sure if they changed anything. Thank you Biking Brotherhood, or BBG as I call it. Thank you so much BBG for sending me this riding jacket. Actually this is the perfect time you sent me this because my Pune ride is coming soon. This weekend we're gonna ride and I'm gonna test this thoroughly during that ride, and guys, I'm gonna give you the proper review about this. If you ask me the previous version that I've used, that's like no doubt it's a very good one. So I think this is also gonna give me some positive results. The only way to know is go and test it out in the wild. So I'll give you a proper review about this jacket as soon as I come back from the ride. For now, I'll have to go and I have to clean all this unboxing material. I like this padding here. This is something that I've not seen on many jackets. Anyways, in case you're interested to buy this, I'll just put a link down below. No guys, this is not a promotion. I'm not going to promote anything now. No guys, this video is not at all sponsored. But just in case you would like to check this jacket out, you can go to, I'll put a link down below. You can go click on it and check out this jacket. The price and all that stuff is there. I'll definitely try to promote a product in case it's really nice and if it's worth your money. Anyways guys, I hope you people enjoyed this video. I know it is a little bit different compared to my other videos. In case you like this video, definitely go and hit the like button. It definitely means a lot to me guys. I'm not sure about the subscriber count, but whenever I see the likes growing on each video, it motivates me more than the subscriber count. But that doesn't mean you don't subscribe. In case you're watching this video without subscribing, you know, it's very easy. Just go down. Don't you see that red button down there? Doesn't it look like Ducati red? Go and click it.